every woman, every person should be fearless, and given the current scenario, every woman should be fearless in life, and that's a virtue, a quality from माँ दुर्गा I would surely want to imbibe. And of course 2020 हम सभी के लिए मुश्किल ही रहा है. सो अगर ऐसे मुश्किल दौर में कहीं से अंदर से एक फीलिंग ऑफ हैप्पीनेस या खुशी आ जाती है, व्हाई नॉट. As I said, this year it's been difficult for all of us, but I thought why not मेरे घर में मैं अपने तरीके से सेलिब्रेट कर लूँ. बाहर जाऊँगी नहीं जाऊँगी मैंने अभी तक सोचा नहीं है. आई एम नॉट इवन अवेयर कि उतने सारे पंडाल्स या पूजा हो भी रही है कि नहीं. अगर हुआ तो शायद एक क्विक दर्शन कर लूँगी माँ की, ऑब्वियसली विथ ऑल द मास्क्स एंड ऑल. So I thought of just doing up a little Durga corner. So this is a piece which I had found at one of the handloom stores. It is somewhat like a Ma Durga. I don't know whether it is exactly a Durga Ma's picture or not. But yeah, I quite liked it. And this I think is something which is very pretty, and it's in a way it talks about a virtue or an attribute or a quality that I think most women should have, that's fearless. And somewhere I think there's a reflection of Ma Durga in it, because Durga Ma herself is a very fearless entity. I'm not stepping out, so I never got real flowers. So this is a cute little flower which I thought of putting here, and little diya. Of course, I'm going to be lighting it in a while in the evening, but yeah, that's about it. And I had this little artificial genda phool. Again, you know, I am all about staying home and being safe. Though I love original, real flowers, but this is how I wanted to just, you know, respect the fact that we're supposed to be staying home and taking care of ourselves. So this is more or less my little decoration and my little effort in creating a little place for Durga Ma in my house. So this is more or less my little attempt in creating a mini Durga pandal, or yeah, a Durga nook in my house. I showed you all these two pieces which I totally love. I love this photo frame which says fearless. I think every woman, every person should be fearless, and given the current scenario, every woman should be fearless in life, and that's a virtue, a quality from Ma Durga I would surely want to imbibe. I really love this little thing. I don't know whether it is Ma Durga or not, but I like it. I love it. It kind of resembles Durga Ma. And as I said, I'm all for staying at home and staying safe. So these are the artificial flowers which I'm also about recycling. If you all see me on my social media, I recycle a lot of things, mostly clothes. But this I thought I should use a little diya and a little artificial flower. So yes, this was my little attempt in creating Shantini's pandal in our house on the occasion of Durga Puja. So I hope you like it. नमस्कार, मैं हूँ शांतिनी. सभी को मेरी तरफ से नवरात्रि की बहुत सारी बेस्ट विशेस एंड शारदीय शुभेच्छा सबाई के. आप सभी को मैंने दिखाया एक छोटा सा स्नीक पीक की कैसे ये एक कॉर्नर मैंने क्रिएट किया है जो आप मेरे पीछे देख सकते हैं. आई शेयर दैट एक्सपीरियंस विद यू ऑल कि मेरे घर में एक छोटा सा दुर्गा पूजा सेलिब्रेशंस का एक कॉर्नर मैंने तय किया, डेकोरेट किया. ऑफकोर्स मैं खुद भी शादा शादी लाल पार एक कन्वेंशनल बंगाली तरीके से सजी धजी हूँ. सो आई थिंक फेस्टिविटीज़ का मज़ा ये होता है, यू नो, वो एक खुशबू आ जाती है जो हमारे, यू नो, लाइक दिस there's a feel in the air, एक वो एक अच्छी एक फीलिंग आ जाती है, यू नो. एंड ऑफ कोर्स 2020 हम सभी के लिए मुश्किल ही रहा है. सो अगर ऐसे मुश्किल दौर में कहीं से अंदर से एक फीलिंग ऑफ हैप्पीनेस या खुशी आ जाती है, व्हाई नॉट. सो दुर्गा पूजा फॉर मी इज़ लाइक फॉर एनी अदर बंगाली इज़ वेरी स्पेशल. बचपन से खूब सारी मेमोरीज जुड़ी हुई है. एक तो अभी ऑनेस्टली अभी हम लोग पूरे साल भर में कभी ना कभी मीटिंग्स करने मॉल्स में जाते हैं, ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग कर लेते हैं. सो वेन एवर वी गोइंग टू द मॉल्स फॉर एनी मीटिंग हम लोग वहाँ कुछ डिनर लंच या कर लेते हैं या रैंडम शॉपिंग कर लेते थे. But in my growing up period, and I mean, not that that's ages back, but yeah, even in early college or late school, we used to look forward to Durga Puja time क्योंकि हम पूरा वेट करते थे पूरे साल की शॉपिंग अब करेंगे. इनफैक्ट हमारे बीच में कंपटीशन होता था दोस्तों में कि किसके पास कितने ज़्यादा कपड़े हैं या ड्रेसेस हैं एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. सो उस दैट वाज अ वेरी फन प्रोसेस. उसमें भी अपनी एक खूबसूरती, एक इनोसेंस था. And then obviously during the pujo, you know, the pandal hopping, and I remember that Ashtami used to be a very big day for us because main Pushpanjali Ashtami के दिन ही हम करते थे and वो दुर्गा पूजा के 3-4 दिन ही होती थी जब पेरेंट्स से थोड़ी बहुत छूट मिलती थी to stay awake a little, away from home a little late at night, meet up with friends. So the entire process, pandal hopping, going and seeing different pandals and Durga Pratima and all the street food eating and the fun and the frolic. So very fond memories. Of course, with time you move on, you miss all of that. But I would always like to think of them very fondly. Another thing which I always remember is that on Ashtami, my grandfather, my Dadaji, he used to take me and my cousin, my bua ka ladka, after the Pushpanjali. It was like a ritual. He would give us Pushpanjali tak hum fast karte hai. So after Pushpanjali, we have bhog and of course we can break the fast. But we were kids and Dadu used to take us to have like a candy ice cream, the ice lolly, ice candy kind of ice creams. So those are very, fragments of memories, but very sweet things of life that I remember. As I said, this year it's been difficult for all of us, but I thought why not मेरे घर में मैं अपने तरीके से सेलिब्रेट कर लूँ. बाहर जाऊँगी नहीं जाऊँगी मैंने अभी तक सोचा नहीं है. आई एम नॉट इवन अवेयर कि उतने सारे पंडाल्स या पूजा हो भी रही है कि नहीं है. अगर हुआ तो शायद एक क्विक दर्शन कर लूँगी माँ की, ऑब्वियसली विद ऑल द मास्क्स एंड ऑल. बट मुझे लगा मेरे घर में क्यों ना मैं एक दुर्गा कॉर्नर बना लूँ, जो आप लोगों ने देखा. So I think for me, Durga Puja in 2020 is going to be celebrating the spirit of Ma Durga. Of course, COVID ने हम सबको सिखाया है कि you've got to learn to live in the moment. हम इतनी planning करते रहते हैं ज़िंदगी को लेके, कल क्या होगा आज, we are not living in the moment, we are not living today. So COVID has taught us that we really don't know what's in store for us. So enjoy this moment. अपने सेहत का ख्याल रखो. और पिछले 6-7 महीने, of course now I started resuming work, but उसके पहले मैं परिवार के साथ ही थी. So यही है ज़िंदगी की सीख है कि ज़िंदगी में छोटी छोटी सिंपल थिंग्स ही मैटर करते हैं. द लव एंड द प्रेजेंस ऑफ योर नियर एंड डियर वंस, ऑफ कोर्स योर पेरेंट्स, योर इमीडिएट फैमिली, योर लव्ड वंस, योर a handful of friends. So the simplicity of life is what I think we've forgotten to relish. I'm not saying we shouldn't go out or have fun or shop or eat food, but वो experience को enjoy करना हमें सीखना चाहिए. In metros it becomes more of a habit कि चलो चल लेते हैं. So we stop enjoying the experience. So I think COVID was a way, in a way, nature's thing to let us know that life is very simple. So enjoy the simplicities of life. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have a simple day at home with my brother. He's here, and of course Anu is going to be here. And like I said, Durga Puja for me in 2020 is going to be celebrating the spirit of Ma Durga in the right sense. What happens is mostly in India, हम लोग festivities को, we look at it as a source of fun and entertainment, which it is. I'm not saying we shouldn't have that, but they also have a very deeper meaning. And if I talk about Ma Durga, she's an embodiment of a lot of qualities. Obviously motherhood, patience, lots of strength, the fact, the hope and faith, and the fact that at the end of the day, good will always win over the evil. So if we are celebrating Durga Puja, it's also very important that we celebrate the spirit of womanhood. Why I say that is because हम लोग enjoyment and celebration में इतने मशगूल हो जाते हैं कि हम actual meaning of any puja, whether it is Durga Puja, of course Diwali is here, then Dussehra before that, is always, there's an essence of that, and even today in India we know there's so many rape cases happening around. So why celebrate a festival just because it's meant to celebrate? You have to believe in it, believe in the essence and the spirit of it. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to celebrate the strength of a woman, strength of a human being. Strength and whatever qualities, like Ma Durga is an embodiment of so many different qualities, and that's going to be something that I would want the message to be spread across, that if you really want to celebrate Durga Puja or Navaratri, let's celebrate womanhood in the right spirit. Let's try and do something, educate people around us, in which even baby steps can help, so that in the true spirit and the true sense, we can really kind of take care of the women in our country. So that's my message on this Durga Puja to everybody. And I'm going to be celebrating with my brother, and I know we'll probably have a nice feast. I can't cook, so the cooking department is of Anu and my brother. Of course, I am very good with home decoration, and that's what I've been doing. I've worn the traditional Shada Shari Lal Par. Of course, you all can see with the Lal Bindi and all of it. So yes, that's about it. So that's in a nutshell how I'm going to be celebrating Durga Puja this year. So this is Shantini signing off, and best wishes Navratri ki sabko, Shubho Durga Puja, Shubho Sharodiya Shubhechha Shabai ke, And yes, let's just respect women, respect a fellow human being, and respect human life. I think that's the essence of the time that we're living in. Namaskar.